Here we go again with more stupid AI nonsense. And this time it's much bigger of a problem than it was last time. Last time it was more just a nuisance. This time it's ridiculous. I ordered 3 disc brakes from the Amazon a couple weeks ago. 160 mil in size. Well, I got 2 160 mil and one 180 mil. Well, the 180 mil is of no use to me. It's not what I ordered, so I want to return it. Not a big deal. Sometimes orders get screwed up. It is what it is. So I clicked through all the options to send it back, and the options that are giving me is either pay to ship it back, which costs $8, and the thing only costs $8.99, so that's not satisfactory. Or I can take it to the UPS store, and that's free, but it takes my time and the cost of fuel and the wear on the car and all this stuff. It's not even worth it for $9. So that's not acceptable. The Amazon needs to eat the cost of shipping it back because the Amazon screwed up the order. I've had this happen a couple times in the past, and I type in Google Amazon customer service chat or something like that, and it's a couple links down, but you can usually find a link called Amazon bar live chat. So I clicked on that today, and it brought up the window that looked like it usually does, but this time it doesn't seem to let you talk to a person. So I entertained this piece of garbage because it didn't seem like there was any other simple way to go about this. I typed in the problem and it pulled up the recent orders. I selected the order from the list of orders that it gave me, and it just keeps taking me in this loop. This is ludicrous. So it says, share more details. The item, I received the wrong item. Okay. And then it says, can you let us know why you'd like to return this? Well, because it's different than what I ordered, which is the same thing I already said, but in different words. That shouldn't have happened. Yeah, no kidding. And this shouldn't be happening either. Which of these best describes the issue? The package or the item is wrong? No, just this item. I received the wrong item. Because it's different than what I ordered. The item is wrong. Nope, just the one item. And this just goes on and on. This is an endless loop. This chatbot is a piece of crap. I cannot believe it cannot even use the responses it gives you to reach a conclusion. Even if the conclusion isn't what I want, it can't even reach a conclusion. It would be one thing if I'm typing in my own words and it's not getting it, but for it to not even get it, using the responses that it provides as options to select, that should be logical items that it follows, in like a flow chart that lead to different answers. It shouldn't loop back to the same thing over and over again. This is ridiculous and totally unacceptable. Oh, never mind. I'm all set. It's all solved. That's ridiculous. This is absolutely ridiculous. Oh my gosh. Yes, it shuts it before you can get to it. This is ridiculous. This is absolutely ridiculous. Finally, what a joke.